Hey my lovelies, so it's time for a new Shop My Stash. Oh, I nearly didn't get it all in there, so let's open the bag and let's see what I've got in there. I know what I've got, but let me show you what's in there. Well, first of all, this was on the vanity table. I'm going to continue using this. So this is the Body Collection England Illuminating Foundation. So that's that. And I'm going in no particular order. I might even take some things out because there's a lot in here. There's a lot of new things I haven't tried. But this isn't new by any stretch of the imagination. But I haven't used it in a very long time. So it's the Give Beauty Pick It Up, Heating Up. The shade's Heating Up. It's a contour and bronzer. And I just want to make a little bit more use on here. That's why I picked that one out. We've got the Jaclyn Hill Loose Powder Highlighter in Extra. I barely used it. I want to see if I can declutter it. We've got the Huda Beauty Light Glow Obsessions palette. Absolutely adore this palette, but I've not used it an awful lot. So that's what that one looks like. We've got the Benefit Cheap Party Package. It came out for Christmas one year. Didn't get it when it was released. I got it probably in the January sales after it. But yeah, I really like Shelley. Dandelion's got a bit of hard pan and I want to test Dandelion Twinkle out a bit more. Not really used that a lot. There's definitely a theme with this makeup. This is new. So this is the Hollipop curve case. So beautiful. I think I like this more than the Comet case I've got from them. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving that a bash. Mixing colours and all that, being really creative. Right, we've got the Hourglass. This is Project Pan. So I'm going to be getting to Project Pan now as well. So Ambient Lighting Editing Universe. I'm not showing it because, like I said, it's Project Pan. This is also Project Pan. Whoops, nearly dropped it. This is a mess, guys, a mess. It's broken all over the shop. But I want to finish this powder before I even think about getting rid of it. And then I might just get rid of it. Because I won't use the bronzers or the contour, I don't think. And it's not a waste because I've had my money's worth. I think I only paid about £5. And I'm on to the second powder that I'm decluttering. Huda Beauty Glowish Project Pan. This is new. This is from Primark. I got this when I went to Manchester. So it's a PS Pro blush in light pink. I've got a blush in here that I think it'll go really nice with. It's really pretty. Never used it, just swatched. I also brought this in, but I'm not too sure I need it. So the LYS Higher Standards Satin Matte Cream Blush. So that looks like that. This is a new blush as well from Primark, which I bought from Manchester. The PS Bouncy Blush. I wish I would have got the Barbie pink one now, but I can always get that in my local Primark. I saw the Barbie pink one in my local Primark, but thought that it might be too bright. This one is very light, so I don't know how well that's going to work. But if I go in with a darker cream blush and then this over the top, it might be okay. Might be. I'm not 100% sure. My friend Lisa got me this for my birthday back in February and I've never used it. So it's the Blazing Blush in 05 Sunkissed. I've got another one in Downtown Girl, but that's more of an orange peach. I don't like that one, but this one looks like it's going to be my vibe. She knows me so well. And that actually might go with the PS Blush, the PS Bouncy Blush, Blair Blush. That's a bit of a mouthful, but you know what I mean, don't you? Another friend bought me this quite a while ago, the Lacura Sweet Blusher in Orchid Pink, and I did bring this one out to go with the Higher Standards Blush by LYS. I had to think there. I bought this as well when I went to Primark. I really had to search high and low. I had to actually go back to my video that I did, so I'm glad I did it on TikTok and figure out what I actually bought at Primark. Isn't that bad? Isn't it that bad when you've got such a big collection? And this is, for the sake of the video, this is not me bragging. I've not been to Primark for the last few weeks and I just forgot what I bought there. But I knew, well, did I though? I don't think I did know that this lip oil was there. So I definitely want to use that this month. Like, at the moment, all I'm doing is basically grabbing what I want to use on the daily. But yeah, that was in a handbag, so I'm lucky I found that. This one's Project Pan, the Fenty Beauty Is It Fussy? This is the concealer we use in the 17 Second Skin. I've also brought this in. I've brought way too much in, but I want to see if I can keep or declutter, and then when I do my declutter, just declutter them. The PS Pro Illuminating Cream Blush. I've also got this in. This stays in week to week. It's not Project Pan, but it may as well be. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo in Halo Goodbye. Right, I brought this one back in because I've not used it all month. It's the New Look Glow Highlighter Stick. Okay, so we've got my Holy Grail Brown Mascara, number 7 Pro Artist Instant Impact. This is viral at the moment. It's really, really nice. And then we've got the Fine Art Beauty. I just call it Fine Cosmetics Brow Tint. That's the little spoolie brush. I do like that. Maybe I should have gone down one shade because it is pretty dark, but I'll know that for next time, won't I? I got it in the sale. Okay, there's 4 products left. We've got the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Looks like that. Then we've got the NYX lip liner. Looks like that. Then we've got the NYX, the brow glue. Looks like that. And the Technique glitter primer. Looks like that. And I haven't brought in any new glowy primers, so hold fire. Right, so we used this last month. I don't know where the top is to it. They say Super Glowy Gel in Star Glow. Nothing to write home about, as we know. So I think I'm going to bring a dupe for it in, and while my mind's still fresh, so I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Glow in Love, just because it's small and it'll fit in the bag and whatnot. Some of these products, especially the blushers, can go in my other makeup case, which is, it sits on the bed, and then when I've had enough of certain products, I'm like, I need to change out now. It's more like every 2 weeks I do that. Anyway, I got this from when I went to Manchester. Essence Bouncy Plump Smoothing Primer, which is hydrating and plumping. And I've got the correlating setting spray. So let me see if I can find you that. Right, yeah, I've found it. So they're only small. So that's that one. The Bouncy Plump Hydrating Dewy Spray Prep and Set. I want to use them and see how they work out. I mean, I'm just going to use it the one time, I think. I mean, it's not ideal, is it? Because I've got lots of sprays open, but I will get to them eventually. Anyway, guys, this is the entire Shop My Stash. I don't think I've left anything out. Lipsticks, lip glosses, lip balms, I use as and when, depending on the look that I'm doing. I've shown you the eyeshadow palettes, or have I? I don't think I have. The eyeshadow palettes will be shown in a separate video, and thank you for watching.